Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image a link in the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Squarespace. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit template. And here you have to scroll down and click on the add block. Here you have to go on the image and click on this plus icon and select an image. You can select an image from library or also select from free images. Once you select it, you have to click on that image and wait for it to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to set it on the section. Now here you have to click on the content design. Here is the option of the link. Now here you can add any link of the image. So this is how you can make an image a link in the Squarespace.